Prepackaging station number 2, the Fluidose machine. The Fluidose Series 6 unit dose packaging system with built-in syringe pump mechanism is an automated barcoding packaging solution for unit dose oral liquid medication. This system assists the pharmacy in decreasing packaging costs, increasing operational efficiency, and reducing medication errors. Note, antibiotics and hazardous drugs cannot go through the Fluidose machine due to the potential for cross-contamination. Controlled products will be packaged manually at Sheridan Hospital for optimal access control. Instructions: select 2 oral liquid medications to package. Your liquid, you're going to come to the oral liquid section of our pharmacy. Please pay attention to the quantity of product, the volume of product that you are required to package. The only medications that will be packaged through the Fluidose machine are medications that require a packaging volume of greater than 6 milliliters. To choose your products, you want to look for bins that are empty, close to empty, or products that are labeled with an expiry date that is near expiration. Once you've selected your stock bottle from the shelf, you're going to bring it to the Fluidose machine to generate your label. Your first step is to search for the drug file. You're going to do this by looking under the chemical name of the drug that you're packaging. Pay particular attention to the volume of drug that you're packaging. Once you've selected the correct drug file, the correct volume, you're going to personalize the information to reflect the product that you're using. You're going to need to input the manufacturer's lot number and expiry date as per the manufacturer's bottle. The Fluidose machine is programmed to automatically assign a NAPRA BUD as well as a local lot number to the product that you're packaging. As a pharmacy technician student, you are responsible for verifying that the information that you've entered into your label is accurate and complete. Once you've entered in your information, you're going to put your initials in the packed by field. For the purpose of this course, your initials are going to be student. When all fields are complete and your initials are entered, you're going to ask the program lab technologist to co-sign. To co-sign, they're going to enter their initials under the verified by field. Once both sets of initials have been entered into the system, you're going to send your label to the printer. The Fluidose machine has been preheated and the label has been sent to the printer and we're ready to go.
Once the Fluidose machine is ready and prepared, you need to make sure that you calibrate it first. So first you click on Calibrate. Once you're in the Calibrate settings, you need to make sure that the syringe that you have is the same size as the syringe selected. In this case, it's 20 mils. Next, you need to set the volume that you actually want to package. So you'll click Volume, and you will set it. In this case, we're doing 10 mils. Once you have selected the volume, you will need to take the syringe, the hose that's attached to the syringe, and cycle the pump once to make sure that the pump is dispensing the correct amount needed. Once you have the amount that the pump is dispensing in the cup, you will need to measure it with the syringe to ensure that is the right amount. So once you've had the pump cycle once, you are going to measure in a syringe. In this case, we have 7 mils, so we need to put in how much we got in the adjust volume, which is 7 mils. Once that is done, you're going to try and cycle the pump again and measure it again to make sure that you have 10 mils. So once the pump has been calibrated and dispensing the correct volume, you will need to go to the Run menu. Here, you will print 2 labels to ensure that the machine is printing the correct label for your cup. Once you have ensured that the correct label is being printed for your cup, you will start the cycle.
Every drug that we repackage needs to be recorded in the pre-packaging logbook. You want to search for your medication in the logbook by the chemical name. Magnesium M. Once you've located the correct page in the logbook, you want to input the information for the products that you've packaged. The date repackaged, the manufacturer initials, the manufacturer's lot number, the manufacturer's expiry date, the local lot number and the local expiry date that the Fluidose machine assigned to the product that you packaged, the quantity that you've repackaged, and your initials as the repacker. You'll need to have your repackaging checked by another pharmacy technician student. Once they've checked your packaging is accurate and your entry is accurate, they'll sign their initials in the checked by column.